The Kelamayi Broom and Dustpan set is a thoughtfully designed cleaning tool that has garnered widespread positive feedback from users across various environments, including homes, offices, and outdoor spaces. This review consolidates opinions from numerous users to provide a comprehensive expert overview of its features, performance, usability, and overall value. The Broom and Dustpan set stands out primarily due to its extendable pole design, allowing users to adjust the broom length from approximately 38 to 50 inches. This feature accommodates different user heights, enabling comfortable sweeping without bending, which is a significant ergonomic advantage for those who clean frequently or for extended periods. Users of varying heights from 4'10" to 6 feet tall have praised this adaptability, noting that it reduces strain on the back and arms during cleaning tasks. The broom itself features an upgraded 4-row bristle design made from high-quality polyethylene terephthalate, PET material. These bristles are dense, durable, and flexible enough to effectively capture dust, dirt, pet hair, and debris on multiple surfaces, including hard floors, tile, concrete, and even short-threaded carpets. Many users have expressed surprise at the broom's superior quality compared to their previous cleaning tools, highlighting its ability to reach into corners and tight spaces with ease. The lightweight nature of the broom, combined with its sturdy construction, makes it easy to maneuver without causing fatigue. One of the most praised aspects of this set is the dustpan's self-cleaning teeth feature. Integrated into the dustpan is a comb-like scraper designed to clean the broom bristles by removing hair and debris with a simple pull. This has been described as a game changer, especially for pet owners and those with long or coarse hair, as it eliminates the unpleasant task of manually pulling hair off the broom. The rubber lip of the dustpan is flush with the floor, ensuring that fine particles and dust are swept cleanly into the pan without leaving residue behind. This design also helps when sweeping on uneven surfaces or outdoor areas. Storage is another strong point for the Kelamayi set. The broom and dustpan clip together and stand upright, making them compact and easy to store in a closet or corner without taking up much space. This upright storage design keeps the cleaning tools tidy and accessible, which users find convenient for quick cleanups. The set is available in several vibrant colors such as pink, green, and orange, adding a cheerful touch to cleaning supplies. Durability is well noted among reviewers. Despite being lightweight, the broom and dustpan are built with recycled and recyclable materials, reflecting Kelamayi's commitment to environmental sustainability. Users have reported that the set holds up well to regular use over months and even years, with no significant wear or loss of functionality. The plastic handle and bristle materials maintain their integrity, and the dustpan's hinge mechanism remains functional, though some users mention the dustpan does not free-fall easily and requires manual adjustment to rotate down. This minor inconvenience has been addressed by suggestions such as lubricating the hinge with WD-40 or similar products, and it may improve with continued use. Performance-wise, the set excels in various cleaning scenarios. It is effective indoors on kitchen floors, living rooms, garages, and offices, as well as outdoors on patios and porches. The broom's ability to sweep up fine dust, litter, dead bugs, and even small rocks has been highlighted in multiple reviews. The dustpan's design allows for easy dumping of debris without spillage, often by simply rotating the handle over a trash can. This ease of use speeds up cleaning routines and reduces mess. Assembly is straightforward and quick, often taking just a couple of minutes. The extendable handle can be adjusted or shortened as needed, which is appreciated by users who prefer a specific broom length. The overall weight of the set is light enough to carry around comfortably, but sturdy enough to feel reliable during use. Some users have noted minor drawbacks such as the tightness of the dustpan's hinge and the broom being slightly longer than preferred before adjustment. However, these issues are generally outweighed by the product's benefits and are easily remedied. The price point, typically under $20, offers excellent value given the quality, features, and durability of the set. In summary, the Kelamayi Broom and Dustpan set is a highly recommended cleaning solution for anyone seeking an efficient, ergonomic, and durable broom and dustpan combo. Its extendable handle, high-quality bristles, self-cleaning dustpan teeth, and upright storage design combine to make sweeping less of a chore and more effective. Whether for home, office, garage, or outdoor use, this set meets the needs of a wide range of users and cleaning tasks. If you own this product, sharing your experience in the comments can help others make informed decisions. The link to purchase the Kelamayi set is available in the video description to support this channel and help you get your own reliable cleaning companion.